This is GTR Power 29 here. I just did my 93 Probe GT with my Magnaflow exhaust system. Just going to prove to you my car is warm. Oil pressure's where it should be. My batteries, yeah, you don't fucking care about batteries. Exhaust that you really want. It's really dark out tonight right now, but try to get it close to you. You can't see it, but it's around there somewhere. I'll just pull it back. I'll just make a video of it, a better one later, but this is just good enough for now. Hope you like that, guys. The muffler still's got to burn in, but it sounds pretty good.